was going to say right next to my lure, just keeps getting smacked. Yeah. 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 Alrighty, good morning. I am not going to have as big a day as I did yesterday. I was just basically waiting for the light to come up so I could see where I'm going. Basically, I'm just going to jump across here, fish these trees, fish and jump across, fish a bunch of trees, and then pretty much turn around and go home. Yeah, we're on. This is the Vanford 500. I'm trying to get my kayak to come out. It's trying to go into my pedal drive. I don't know how big he is. He's just heading down. Remember, this is only 1 to 2 kilo setup, so it's only like a little 4-pound setup. Although I am using 6-pound leader. Yeah, there we go. First one of the day. Nice little Brembo. Alright, so that's the guy that did the damage. He's a duo, and like I said, I can't remember what the actual name, but it's a Dora Cicada. He so looks like a black Bream. I'd say he's 25, 26 maybe. I doubt he's 27. What have we got? What have we got? He just reached it. Oh, look, fork of 25 to the tip. Probably. Oh, it's so close to 27. Don't know if you guys can see that. I need to start putting these up high, I think. But yeah, so he's definitely up there. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day. The old tap technique. Try and get it to sit properly. Yep, got it. Oh, that was a decent hit. I think you felt the hook, so. That one hit pretty much pulled all those rubber bits have come out. That's the one thing I will say about those lures. The rubber bits seem to come out so easily. That's busted already. It's broken already. I just felt it. I think this is broken already. It's falling apart already. I can see through the gap in it, and I can push it down. All that. Oh no. Go in. Go quiet. Go get that. I think. All right. There's no one in there. Comes in. There's it. Ways of casting. Oh, hit. Oh, come on. Come on. How? This is crazy. This is legit crazy. I'm going to have to do that entire wall again. Yep. No. Come on. Out. Oh, 1 to 2 kilo. Trying to get my net ready. I've got about a 1 metre, 2 metre leader on this, and we're at leader. No, we're not. It's just taking my leader. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. Oh, about time. About time. I deserve that. I deserve that. When you see all the clips and you've been watching them, all the misses, all the hits and misses, that was worthy. I'm happy here, buddy. I'm really happy. Those hooks on the ciglet are really good. Tiny ciglet doing the damage. Got to be happy with that. Let's just, I'll fix up the net in a second. I put my net in the wrong way. So what was my previous one? 27. So did we crack 30? Did we crack 30? And nope, we're roughly 28. 26 to the fork, 28. Oh, you could nearly go 29 and a half. Oh, no, yeah, 28 and a half. Thank you, mate. Have a good day. Oh. Oh, was that legit? Something just had a shot at that. I didn't even realise. Oh, something's having a go. Go. Yep. He's only low 20s. He's only a teen to low 20s. This wasn't the one I was talking about though. This is a different one. There we go. That's that tiny cicada again. Yeah, he's probably 19. About 2017, 19. Have a good day, bud. Right. Where I'm about to cast now is I saw a massive hit up. Oh no, I went too far. Yeah, in there somewhere. Come on. Yep, there we go. Oh, come on. Come on. This wasn't the one that I've seen before. This is only above her again. Have a good day, buddy. What I'll do, so I'll cast there. That should get the attention. I'll just move it over here. Oh, yep. We're out. I hope I'm recording. Yep. Again, not very big. He doesn't seem very big. He's just, I don't know if he's skull hooked. Oh, he's caught around his wing. Just literally munched that down. There you go, mate. A bit of dentist work. The ciglet, tiny ciglet. Again, what's he going? He's doing the weird hard thing, so I can't. Yeah, so 21, 22. Have a good day. I'm on my way back to my car. What an interesting day. Start off with the day with a duo, and then after that Bream, it just felt like it was falling apart. It's my second one that's done that. Is it me or is it the duo? Does anyone else have a problem with the duos? Who knows? Anyway, the tiny ciglet ended up cleaning up at the end towards the end of my session. It's crazy session where I went ages with getting hits and no takes and no hookups. It was frustrating. I apologise for that. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, comment about those duos. And hopefully we all have a nice day. I finally started recording. Big. No, no. Oh shit, I'm recording. It's literally... I can't even... He won't even come up. Pardon? No. No, that's bigger than yours. That's a 30.
That is round the cover?
Yep. Oh. There he goes. Shiglet! Look at you, little man. Oh, he's fat. What'd you say he was? Oh, I'm going to let people be the judge, but technically, because he's got a really long tail, he's actually 30 and a half. But he's a 28 forker. Actually, he's probably about 27 to the fork. Just like, see how like long the... Right, thank you for coming. Have a good day. Oh, you've made my day.